Yo, we're back. We back to welding, TIG welding that is. Let me show you guys the blob that I did. I mean, it looks nice if you grind the shit out of it. It'll look nice. But this is what a year and a half. About a year and a half that we haven't actually used these machines.
Almost 2 years.
Close to 2 years, yeah. That we haven't used these machines, but I'm gonna show you guys what I did here. It's not beautiful, but hey, it's strong. But look at these welds. Oh my gosh, I'm not proud of these, but here you go. I mean, they ain't bad, ain't anything a grinder can't fix, but we're gonna get them. So this was me getting back into it. So now for Natalia, she's gonna use these two pieces to weld. So we're gonna try to do our best to record. I have this little piece here that I'm gonna actually use on the camera. So hopefully we can see once the arc starts and the welding. That's what we're gonna try. So let's give it a go. Alright, let me put this helmet on.
I don't think any of this stuff is even on.
Oh wait, yeah, I gotta turn all the stuff on. Alright, so let me turn this on. Here's the welding machine. Hey, hit the pedal.
Hit hit it.
Alright, cool. Alright, hit it again. No, just tap. That's it. Alright. I want to make sure that we got the right argon going. Or the right CFM. Alright, so it's on. Let me get you your welding rod. We're using these big monsters.
Oh my gosh.
That's it right there. So let me get this on. And let me adjust the camera so I can see what you're welding. Well, don't get nervy. Because I got to try to get the arc. Oh, them pink gloves are badass.
It's from Defiant Metal.
Yeah. Alright, so we should be set. Let me get this on. And then let me know when you're gonna start so I can put this on the camera.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What is happening? Sorry, that needs to be sharpened.
Well, let's put a new sharpened one on there then. Brand new.
Alright. Oh my gosh, I feel like I don't even know how to grab this.
Alright, so now let me get set up here and we'll go ahead and start. Once. Okay, I'm ready.
Ready?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay, I'm nervous. I can't find the pedal. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna put this on the floor, the pedal.
Alright, adjust. You gotta adjust the pedal.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, back in business.
You ready?
Go ahead.
Okay. Is it hot enough? Because it wasn't.
It was
melting
not.
at all.
Nope. Look, once you hit it on there, you have to let that bubble up and get really shiny, and then you can start giving it.
I know. That's what I was waiting for, but I was like, am I just not seeing it, or am I blind?
You're probably not seeing it because look at the blob that you left on that side.
I know, I see it. Oh.
Oh, I thought it was. So yeah, you gotta let it bubble up. All right, one more time again. Here we go.
Can I go in the same spot?
You can.
Okay. What in the world? This is not happening.
What the hell?
How long? You saw how long I was on it.
Wait a minute, because I haven't touched none of. Are you pushing the pedal all the way down?
Yeah,
You sure?
maybe.
Yo, you're not pushing the pedal all the way down because it's at about 95.
I'll try it again.
Right. The pedal has to go all the way down. It's when you start getting to the edge where you let off because it'll be too hot.
Okay.
All right.
Take 3.
There we go. A little bit better. You gotta let it puddle a little bit more.
Okay.
How much rod are you feeding it?
Not that much, to be honest.
Okay, and then don't angle it like that. Try to go like this. Yeah, because when you angle it, you don't get the good arc. All right, we're gonna try it one more time again.
Look at that. That's a lot better.
Much better. You gotta move a little bit faster. But it's getting there. Much better than that first one. I'm ready. Uh-oh. Getting better. Look, you're starting good, and then when you get into the back, you're lifting. See how it's getting wider? All right, hold on. You ready?
Are you?
I'm ready.
Okay. I touched it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, but it didn't get on it. It's okay.
Oh,
like, I
you're
just did a
good.
vlog one here.
You're good.
I was going okay.
Yeah, you're doing pretty
Up
good.
until the end.
All right, flip that bad boy this way. That's not bad.
This?
Yeah, go that
Can
way.
you clip this, please?
Oh shit, I just moved the whole camera.
Thank you.
Hold on, let me adjust this camera one more time again. All right, right there. Give me 1 second. All right, go.
started lifting it at the end.
You noticed it, right?
Yeah. But it looks good though.
It looks good. Hell yeah.
The smell is awful.
Yeah, well, we'll just finish welding on there and then we'll open up the garage because it's too stinky in here.
That one was so bad. That was so bad.
Yeah, you were too high.
Yeah. Okay, I got room for another one.
All right, one more. Try to get it a little bit lower. All right.
You know, my best one has been this one.
A little bit better.
No, it's not.
Alright, so we turn it off, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's turn that bad boy off. I'm gonna close here and then hit the gas pedal.
Way too hot.
Just give it a few taps.
Right now?
Yeah. Oh, don't worry about it, I turned it off. Alright, so now we're gonna talk. Y'all, how crazy it is that we're doing so well in the welding, in the TIG welding area. And this is not like riding a bike, because we totally forgot. Like I was doing this piece here for a while earlier, and I had to keep like grinding off some of the stuff, but I mean it kind of looks pretty decent. It's welded, it's not coming off, but I don't like how it looks, so we will definitely practice a little bit more. Plus we're running low on argon as well, so whenever we can get more, then we'll do a few more little projects. There's one of these here for Natalia, so she'll be able to do one of these as well.
Oh god. Honestly, I thought that I wasn't gonna be able to get anything at all, but if you guys see, it does somewhat look like I was stacking dimes, just not how I was doing it before. But then again, it has been 2 years, so
Yeah.
overall it's not that bad for us, you know? It could have gone a lot worse. And well, at least for me, I only stuck it one time. I used to stick it almost every other weld, so
Yeah, the rod, the welding rod on the actual
on the
tungsten.
tungsten, yeah.
Yeah.
And I only did it once.
So it's pretty good. Well, thanks for watching. We'll post a few more videos on the welding and the TIG welding, and y'all have a blessed one. Peace.